So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Manish. So today I'm here with another video. Today I will explain you how to create a ssh-keygen link. This is my blog and I will explain you each and every step with help of this my blog. So let me start with my blog. Let me open this. So before going to create a search key, let's familiar with about SSH. So guys, what is SSH? SSH is a network protocol. It is a secure shell, and it is a very useful to remote connection, secure remote connection. Like when we try to log into another virtual machine, another server, so we use this protocol. As a DevOps engineer, we have to know about the SSH and very huge case we have in as a DevOps engineer. I will show you some most use cases of this SSH and SSH keys. So I will explain in end of the video. So let's start with the create SSH key in Linux. So let's start with the step. First step is open the Linux shell and the CLI command line interface. So let me open my Ubuntu shell. So guys, this is my Ubuntu shell. And second step is the command. This is the command we need to run. ssh-keygen is a main command to create a ssh key. So before run this command, I want to explain you what is the command exactly will do. So this is command to use to create a ssh key in Linux. And there are some options or flags you can say with this command like -t. What is -t? -t uh, will show you what is the types of key which will generate using this command. This type of key, many types are here like RSA, DSA, ECDSN, this ED25519, and another option is -p. This contain a bit of the key, like how many how many size we want to in our SSH key. These are the options. One more thing I want to mention here, like by default, uh, type of the SSH key is RSA, and the size of the by default SSH key will be 2048 bits. So if we want to change this size and this type of the key, then we can use this options -b and -p. There are many options. We can see this by using this command. So let me open my Ubuntu and paste this command. See guys, I'm talking about these two options. These are very most useful options, and others are like -p, -e. So these are the values of this flag. This is the value of this flag. So you can check also using the help command. Okay guys, and so finally let me run the main command which will create SSH key for that. So when we will run this command, output should be like this. So let's see what happens. So first it will asking for the exact path of the SSH key. This is the by default path of SSH key it will create. So we need to just press enter here in case if we don't want to change the path of the SSH key directory. This is .ssh directory, in which directory we have to we will found this SSH key, and if we don't want to change the path of the SSH directory, then press enter. So I am press enter here. So enter password. It is asking for the password. Again, I don't want to use any password of my SSH key. Let me explain for my fault. So again, press enter to give the empty password. Otherwise, need to put your password and hit enter. So I am just entering. I don't want to use any password. It is asking for the same. So need to press hit enter again if we want to give the again empty password, or if we have given the password, then repeat the same password. So just hitting enter. So finally, we should have this type of output. So let me on this my control. So finally, we have created the SSH key, which is in this particular folder, which is good thing. Guys, finally we have created the SSH key in the Linux. Final output should be this. We have created this. So now if we want to check this public SSH key, then we can run the particular command. Your home directory will be the different in your case, in .ssh will be folder if you will not change the by default path. So let me copy this command to see the public SSH key content. Let me paste here. Okay. Again copy. So this is the my public SSH key. Finally we achieve this. So output should be this. We have looks like this output. So guys, we have created SSH key. So now I would like to explain the use case of the SSH key. First use case is access to the another server. Like if we want to log in on the another server, then have to uh, we have to place this SSH, this public key on that particular server. Then we can log into another server. This is the first use case. And second is if we want to manage the another server file, like we need to copy some files from one to another server, some editing some files, some move. So this kind of stuff we can use in this particular thing. And third is in the automation work. Like in the DevOps world, we have process of CI/CD, which is continuous integration and continuous deployment. In the automation, we have to prepare a script where uh, we will run some script to another server. So this is called automation. In the automation, we have to use the SSH key to log into one to another server. So this is the most used case in the DevOps world. And fourth is if we need to SSH based authentication between the two servers, then like we want to log in one to another server without any password, then we have to place this public SSH key into the another server, and another server SSH public SSH key to put this uh, first server. So this is called SSH key based authentication. So this is also another use case. And fifth and the last use case of the SSH key, we can use this SSH key in GitLab, GitHub, Bitbucket, for use some SSH remote URLs. So when we want to use the SSH URL instead of this HTTPS URL, then we have to place our public SSH key into the GitLab or Bitbucket or GitHub server. Then we can directly push, clone, and another thing we can do the direct this SSH URL. We don't need to enter the username and the password again and again. If we have not set up any password for the SSH key, then direct it will be push or clone in our local storage. So bye bye guys for now, and see you soon in the next video. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel. And then if you have any query, then put in the comment section. I will definitely answer. So, bye bye guys.